Welcome to this holiday tutorial for decoration at home or in your garden. Today we are making easy wooden lanterns to lighten up your holiday spirit. Make sure you have the following tools and materials. Please note that this project can be made in all different sizes, so if you want to experiment with larger or smaller lanterns, go ahead. For the lantern we're going to build, we use 1-inch square wooden beams which we can cut into legs and spacers. We need 4 legs of 20 inches and 8 spacers of 10 inches. In the end, we're placing the lantern on a base plate of 15 by 15 inch. Before assembling your lantern, make sure your pieces are straight and sand them to get rid of any rough edges. First, we're going to make the 2 sides. Make a framework with 2 legs and 2 spacers. Put glue on one side of the spacers. Now nail the leg and spacer together. When you have finished the 2 sides, connect them in the same way with the rest of the spacers. Now that the frame is assembled, measure the base plate. Put the cube on the plank and add the thickness of your wooden beams to the width of the plank. In our case, the beam was 1 by 1 inch thick, so the cutting edge should be 1 inch measured from the framework as well. When you have cut and sanded your base plate, you can assemble the base using 4 screws. Once your lantern is dry, you can apply a stain of your choice to get that nice rustic wood look. We are using an oil-based brush, but you can also use an old cloth or oil-based roller for different textures. To further personalize the lantern, you can add different Christmas decorations to finish your centerpiece. Make multiple lanterns in different sizes to really get a fun variation for your home decor. If you want to decorate your house or garden even more, then watch our other how-to videos. With Koimon, we are always happy to help.